The 2024 Nissan Armada isn't just a vehicle, it's a powerhouse designed for families seeking both strength and sophistication. With an impressive towing capacity of up to 8,500 pounds, this SUV dominates the road, backed by a refined 5.6-liter endurance V8 engine boasting 400 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque. It's not just about muscle. Safety is paramount with the standard Nissan Safety Shield 360 and exclusive intelligent forward collision warning, ensuring you're in command with confidence. But it's not just brawn and safety. The Armada boasts the largest standard infotainment screen in its class, a 12.3-inch HD display offering seamless connectivity with Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa built-in, and multiple USB ports. Optional upgrades like 22-inch wheels, a premium 13-speaker Bose audio system, and the Midnight Edition package, featuring sleek black interior and exterior trims, elevate the experience to unparalleled heights. Streamlined for the 2024 model year, the Armada offers 3 well-equipped grades, SV, SL, and Platinum, each catering to various preferences, whether opting for rear-wheel drive or Nissan's intelligent 4WD system. It's not just a vehicle, it's a testament to power, safety, and cutting-edge technology, available now, starting at $55,450.